যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে।
It's a good time to be a woman. It's a great time to be a woman in Bengal.
তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে
It's that time when the Bengali woman matters most.
একলা চলো রে হরি নাম নিয়ে জগৎ মাতালে
That time when her vote could be that difference between triumph and failure.
তাই গৌড় বলে নিতাই যদি যদি মনে
In Bengal, women are above 50% of the votes. They are almost at par with men.
Bengali woman would be a thinking woman.
Somebody who can cook, sing and dance and draw.
She often has very strong opinions about what she does or doesn't like.
they are not मतलब कन्फाइंड नहीं है।
हमारा ट्रेडिशन तो कुछ और लोगों से अलग अलग होता है क्योंकि हम ज़्यादातर साड़ी पहनते हैं।
Women in Bengal do have a certain sense of pride from being in Bengal.
Typically Bengali women from the city would be well read, would know a smatter of Rabindranath in them.
If you can't sing and write and read literature or have some sort of art, you're not a Bengali person.
they are progressive, they want to be आगे बढ़ना तो चाहते हैं।
We have an opinion on everything. ছেলেই হোক মেয়েই হোক বউ যেই হোক লড়াই नहीं करता কিন্তু झगड़ा लड़ाई नहीं होता है इसमें।
हमको तो लगता है इमोशन थोड़ा है इन लोगों में। जैसे आप लोग तरकारी में क्या बोलते हैं बीच में तड़का डालते हैं ना लास्ट में, तो वो हम लोग इमोशन लास्ट में डाल देते हैं शायद।
History stands testimony that women have often been stereotyped. Now, the Bengali woman has had her fair share, more than her fair share, of being stereotyped. Whatever your definition of the Bengali woman is, the ones I have met have come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and intellectual prowess with one commonality: the deepest sense of pride, usually stemming from their cultural inheritance. Mind you, at many times, borderline cultural arrogance also. However, one thing I've noticed, this time round as a collective, the Bengali woman knows that this election, will be counted for.
Good evening, viewers. We come to you from Thakur Bari, which is quite close to the border to Bangladesh. We've gotten stuck in a bit of a political rally right there. This happens when you're on covering the elections as such. But let's just, should focus back to our dispatch, to our day second on Bengal Dispatch. And we made it, we did it. It was by design that we wanted to focus on the woman vote, because everyone talks about X factors this election. One of the biggest X factor is the woman's vote this time around.
This is going to be my first vote ever. I'm very excited to do my commitment to the country.
वो अच्छा काम करे देश के लिए, यही सोच के वोट डालती हूँ।
Coming from my background, I would think one of the most important factors is obviously economic growth, gender equality of all genders, and this is a huge concern of mine, is environmental concern that has come up in the recent years.
किसका काम ज्यादा पसंद है?
दादा का काम,
दादा का काम।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी का काम ही अच्छा लगता है। वो जो कुछ दिन पहले अगली साल जो पुलवामा में अटैक हुआ था ना, तो उसमें 44 जवान शहीद हो गई, 40 जवान। तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा था, क्योंकि मैं बहुत आर्मी फैन हूँ ना, आर्मी सीआरपीएफ बहुत फैन हूँ मैं। तो दादा उसके बाद जब दादा ने पाकिस्तान में अटैक किया तो 350 सरिये जंगी शहीद हो गए, जब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
We have one of our female chief ministers representing us, and that definitely comes from us being prideful over somebody who's that powerful, that authoritarian, taking control of the state.
Anamika, 23-year-old, first-time voter from Kolkata. Shibori, 21-year-old, first-time voter from Arambagh. On two sides of the political divide, one urban the other rural. Both are there. Their vote will matter. They are the woman vote. The irony, when in politics, the woman a vote bank. Of late in many states, the kingmaker. Never the king. But in West Bengal, it's different, isn't it? The current reign is of a queen, not a king. And she has come asking for a third reign as Bengal ki beti. She knows the earlier two were not possible without the support of her own ilk, women.
Entire movement to oust the CPM and take over Bengal, as it were, from 2007-2008 onwards, was entirely with the support of women. You see, her original slogan, "Ma Mati Manush," Ma refers not to Bharat Mata or anything like that. It refers to the woman in the house. The idea of the mother. And this is a very strong emotional, spiritual resonance in Bengal.
How do you look at Narendra Modi now?
Mr. Modi, in many ways, symbolizes at one level a kind of cleansing, a communal cleansing of the system, which has its own appeal. Because there are a lot of women who feel very insecure. And they feel insecure for their own reasons.
The TMC is betting big on the woman vote, armed with almost 250 women-centric schemes related to empowerment, economic rehabilitation and education. Like the promise of 500 rupees for general category and 1,000 rupees for reserved category to the female head of all families. The BJP not far behind, promising 33% quota if they come to power in all government jobs, free healthcare, free public transport for women, plus a 3,000 per month rupee pension for widows. It's raining sops for the Bengali woman.
দিদি ওই যে মেয়েদের জন্য স্কুলের মিড ডে মিল আর বই খাতা তারপরে এই যে বাচ্চাদিকে যে খাবার স্কুলে দেয়া রাস্তাঘাট সব যায় সাইকেল সবই দিচ্ছে
साइकिल दिया आपको भी?
না দেয়নি কিন্তু পরিবার যে হোক তো পেয়েছে আবার পাবেও। হ্যাঁ
दादा पसंद है?
দাদা যখন পশ্চিমবাংলায় আসবে তখন দাদার কথা ভাববো, দাদা আমাদের কথা ভাবলেই ভাববো। এখন দিদি ভাবছে, দেখছে দিদি দেখছে, দাদা যখন আসবে দাদাকে দেবে।
মোটামুটি পছন্দ দেশের জন্য ভোট দিয়েছি।
দাদা কেন পছন্দ? একটা মানুষকে কেন পছন্দ হতে হবে, তো কি কারণে পছন্দ?
A mother and a daughter-in-law in Arambagh, Hooghly district. Two different opinions. Right opposite, a mother and her daughter, with again two very different points of views this election.
এখন দিদি কি ভালো লাগছে, দিদি এই যে আমাদের টাকা দিচ্ছে, হাই দিচ্ছে, তোমার রাস্তা বাগিয়ে দিলে হাই টুইটে করে দেবে বলছে, এই সেই জন্য দিদি কি এখন ভালো লাগছে।
আর তখন এখন দিদি দিয়েছিল আমাদিকে ওই 1000 টাকা করে, আমি তো খোঁড়া, এই এখন আমি পেয়েছি। আর এখন
বুঝতে পারেনি
ওই জন্যই দিদিকে ভালো লাগে। এখন আমরা দাদা এসেছে, দাদাকে ভালো লাগছে, দাদার কোনই ছুটছি এবার, সেও যদি কিছু দেয়।
The rural-urban divide from Jaydev village in Arambagh, Hooghly district, 80 kilometers of Kolkata to Kolkata. The class divide. The woman who ekes out a living on a daily wage is mostly jaded.
हमको देखो कोई पसंद, कोई खिला नहीं देगा, हमको किसी का पसंद नहीं है, देना पड़ता है वोट, देते हैं, बस इतना ही बोल।
While the privilege of opinion lies with those who can afford it. Purva and Sudarshana, entrepreneurs, friends and work partners.
This election is going to be one of the
most crucial elections probably.
Bengalis believe in the freedom of speech.
Yes.
You know, like Adda, it's a big deal for us. And in our Addas, we have opinions about everything, and we are not afraid to express our opinions. So, I mean, we have our own way of living life.
Both of us are single parents. We can simply, rent a house without people questioning us too much as to you're going to live here.
Do you think that could change as well?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't
there's
know.
fear.
There's this unnamed fear where we can't put our fingers on and can say that, okay, this is how it is. But we have been brought up in this state. This is how we have lived all our lives.
As a Bengali, as a typical Bengali, we are very conscious of our cultural identity, our social identity. And for the first time, I'm feeling that identity might be
endangered.
At threat. So, that makes me more conscious. For the first time, I am fearful of how the political needle is going to sway.
The woman vote, crucial, unpredictable. The X factor, this election. The woman getting on with it. There's so much more to do than just this election.
ये जो गाना वीमेन गा रहे हैं वो जब ससुराल जा रहे हैं गाड़ी में चढ़ के तो गाड़ी के जो चला रहे हैं उनको बता रहे हैं तुम थोड़ा धीरे चलाओ, मैं थोड़ा और देख लूँ, मेरे जो नेबर्स लोग हैं, मेरे जो पिता माता है सब रो रहे हैं और बोल रहे कि बेटा तो सब काल के लिए रह जाते हैं पिता माता के संग, मगर बेटी को ही पराया कर दिया जाता है। ये एक पूरा वीमेन गा रहे हैं। लाओ गाड़ी ही आले रे ओहो मोर गाड़ी आले रे ও গাড়িয়াল হাসতে করিয়া চহলান তোমার গাড়ি ছাড়িয়া যাইতে মায়া লাগে রে দয়ার বাপের বাড়ি গাড়িয়াল রে।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.